Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Peace and blessings be upon you all. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the 5 trends, or you can say what you can expect in 2022. I just came across an article, so I thought I will go through that article and let you know what you can expect out of crypto in the 2022 year. What trends are going to happen? That's everything is a prediction, but it is to a certain extent true. Depending, seeing what happened in 2021, we can say that I've already talked about this couple of the topics which I'm going to show you now. Somebody has written an article on it, so it's good. I thought I'll share this as a video so you know what you can expect in 2022, what kind of coins, what type of coins you can expect based on these topics. That also, I'm not going to discuss the coins, but you can make sure when you come across any projects, any coins, crypto coins based on this, you can expect then there should be a chance of that doing well. Okay, let's jump onto the video. So if this is your first time watching, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. That will help me to grow my channel. Okay, thanks a lot for that. Let's jump onto the video directly. This is the topic here. If you don't have time, you can go and read this article. So it's a very good article I came across because I've been telling on my TikTok videos about the trend to expect in TikTok. In crypto. What could be the chances going to happen in 2022 and what kind of coins to target. So in that topic, these people, this article came across. I just wanted to discuss this. What's next for Bitcoin and crypto? Why always they say Bitcoin is that's the, if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. That's the reason they kept the topic like that. I think 5 trends to watch it. So let's jump on one by one. First and foremost, what I thought was exactly there. When I read the article, I was thinking, oh my God, exactly everybody are thinking about this only. Here we go. First and foremost topic is regulation. Here we go. More regulations. You can expect a lot of regulation. The reason why this Congress meeting which happened in US, mainly they were worried about the stable coins. That's going to be a big issue. So I already told people, even my crypto followers, in my TikTok followers, USDT, try to keep it. 90% of the people who trade, even me, they do trading only with USDT. So try to keep it in UST. What is that? DAI, DAI, BUSD. There are lots of other stable coins you can use it. So try to. Anything can happen anytime in crypto. So try to differentiate your profits. Distribute your profit across other stable coins as well. Not just that, regulation. It doesn't mean only USD stable coins. Lots of other regulations are going to come. So keep in mind. So that's the first thing which we all can expect. Lots of regulation. Lots of countries already they're banning. Okay, they are banning, but they will see. They're not. Although they say they're banning. But I'm telling you, CBDC is what everybody are planning. Central bank digital currency. They say they want their own cryptocurrency, that kind of a thing, digital currency. I would say that is how the governments want to come into the crypto world with their own digital currency. That is what all the countries are planning. So it is. There's no doubt crypto is already into mainstream, but the lots of governments, they don't want just like that everybody to have their own will, because they don't want to be in loss with their banks, right? So that's the reason. Anyway, so keep an eye. Regulation. That will be the most important topic of the next year. What is happening with the SEC as well, with the XRP. So we can expect some reply this year. With Jan, they're telling some people, they're saying April XRP result will be soon, hopefully within this year. There we go. That's second one. Bitcoin's ATMs multiply. Okay, this is mainly, I would say, again based on US. The reason why they say ATMs here is there are already lots of ATMs are there, Bitcoin ATMs. Thing is, many people don't really realize that they can't take it like Bitcoin is just a code. Cryptocurrency is just a code. It's not something physical to touch. So it's like something which is not. That is the main thing which doesn't attract many people. What do we get for this money, this much money we spend? So this is kind of a way of getting Bitcoin into mainstream. So you will see lots of Bitcoin ATMs. This is what this author is telling. Anyway, this is what I would say is trying to bring Bitcoin to the mainstream. to the local people where they come and swipe the card and buy the crypto. Might be, I don't know what they get, but kind of but this is what they say, like the number of Bitcoin ATMs has been increasingly steadily since 2015, and has reached new highs in 2021. Today there are more than 33,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the globe. I heard there's one in Dubai as well. I've never seen it, but I really this is true. It is increasing a lot. They come and pay it in the machine and they buy the bitcoins. So that's something to have a look. It will increase. It seems that's good. Okay, that's the second thing according to the author. The third one is will be a big one actually. Environmental improvements. Ethereum, you know what is happening, right? They are changing. Now they are changing to proof of. They will be changing actually this 2022 proof of stake instead of proof of work. Thing is, there will be lots of cryptocurrency coins. I already discussed actually in TikTok. They'll be talking about environmental friendly cryptos. This is this can be this will be like a kind of a topic, because with the Bitcoin and other mining things, lots of computational power, lots of electricity, it's like bad for the environment. So that has been like a kind of a target by the government people as well, saying that even Iran recently they stopped mining for certain places because they saying it is taking lots of electricity. We want to save electricity and it is affecting the environment. That kind of topics are going on throughout the world. So that's the reason even the miners are moving around from here to there. Some people have started doing mining through solar power. So that kind of a topic has been going on. So any cryptocurrency with the topic of environmental touch will get a boost. There are also already a lot of 2-3 coins are already there, which is like it's on the radar. But I don't want to say any coins, guys, so you don't mistake me. You just follow me, subscribe to me, and even in TikTok I will be discussing lots of other coins based on these topics going forward in 2022 as well. So let's this is a topic you will be seeing a lot. This is how, when the lots of regulation come in, governments will say this is it is really spoiling our environment. We want environmental friendly crypto coins. Then this is where it will come into. So that is where people are changing also from proof of work to proof of stake, like Ethereum, to solve all these issues as well. Now, so let's see what happens. So this is the third trend we can expect. And then, of course, the price volatility, there's no doubt. Crypto is always volatile. That's the reason you make more profit. That's one thing. But Bitcoins, as you see now, even today, it is at 46. It's like kind of a stagnant now. See, let's jump onto the market and have a look what's happening. See, this is Crypto Bubbles. It's a very good place to go and have a chill look at the prices. It's still 46. It's like stagnant for last 2 days. It's at 46. I don't know what is happening. Anyway, let's jump back to this one. So you will see it is like, although it hit all-time high, but it's still just stuck back to 46. So you can expect a lot of volatility. It's one way of making good money, but you won't expect any. That's like Bitcoin being the mother of all coins, all the cryptocurrencies. It has to move. It can't be like so stagnant in one place. That's not a good thing actually anyway. But I'm telling you, that's something you will expect. It's going to be like a choppy year, I would say. So that's what he expects, this author. So that's the third one. That's the fourth trend. And the last one is ETF. There's no doubt about it. This was the year which was first time they approved. You can see this. The first Bitcoin ETF hit the New York Exchange this year. It reached nearly 1 billion in trades on its first day. After that, what has happened is these guys, the SEC, stopped approving other ETFs. That's the reason. If they were started continually approving for the ETF, these exchange, it's called ETF, basically exchange traded fund. If they start approving these things, Bitcoin will really, really rally a lot. Lots of new money coming in, but it's not happening. They just stopped it. So that is the big issue happening. But this is what the author is expecting, that you will see lots of other ETFs which will be approved, and you will have lots of rallies as well. So that's something he expects, crypto ETF approvals. That's what actually, this is the 5 topics which he talks about. Other than this, one more topic I want to say is Ethereum. You know that Ethereum is going into proof of stake this year. That's what they're expecting Ethereum to. There will be lots of other coins like already. I mean, like until then, or you can say like if you heard about Polygon, how it is helping to scale Ethereum. Like, people who can't afford to build on Ethereum, they go to Polygon because Polygon helps in reducing the gas fee. So those kind of coins which will help in scaling solutions, that will be on target, like Polygon, Arbitrum, Osmosis. There are lots of other coins there which will be like platforms which will help in scaling Ethereum. So all those, I'm not sure exactly what will happen to Polygon when Ethereum is fully proof of stake, and it doesn't, when the gas fees, all the fees goes down. How will this will be helpful? I'm not really can't correlate these two things, but until then, you can expect Polygon to do well. Those coins which are scaling solutions, for Ethereum, it will do well this year, because that everybody even many companies are going out of Ethereum and trying to build on other places like Arbitrum and other platforms, because they can't afford these fees. Okay, so that's why they are getting out of Ethereum and they're going to other places to build. So that's something. Scaling solutions will be a lot of other trend you can look into it. This is the main topics trend you can look forward are coins based on this. Other than this, metaverse, play to earn is completely separate. What has happened with metaverse and play to earn stuff is, after the Facebook Zuckerberg announcement, looks like metaverse and crypto gamings will be the first topic boost. What I mean to say is, like, it will be a separate entity compared to cryptocurrencies. I mean, they will perform a separate lot better rather than depending on the cryptocurrency market as well, that market as a whole. So it will be like a separate entity kind of thing. I mean, like play to earn and metaverse, those kind of things will be kind of more mainstream compared to these cryptocurrency exchanges. I mean, like the coins and stuff. So that will be like a different kind of topic, and I'm sure that will perform well, no doubt about it. Metaverse is like crazily booming, and the places are selling like crazy. But I'm telling you, it's not going to happen everything straight away. So don't get caught up by this metaverse thing. I want to buy the land. No, wait for some time. Wait for dip in the market. Then you can enter it. It will take at least 3 years, 5 years down the line to completely, people are going to be immersed in metaverse. Until then, you can keep it slow and don't get crazy, that you want to buy now by the hype. Don't go by the hype. Wait slowly, wait for the correction, and then enter into the market. That's it, guys. That's the topic I want to discuss, because I already used to talk about this, a couple of topics here. And when I saw this article, I thought I will do a video and just tell you what kind of trend or what kind of coins you can target based on this topics going in 2022. That's it, guys. So if you got any value out of this video, please go read this article. That I didn't read through it fully. Please, it's a very good in Decrypt. It's decrypt.co. That's a very good website to subscribe. Other than that, if you like it, please like and share. I'll appreciate your support. It will help me to grow my channel. So you can see I'm more into affiliate marketing and crypto. Any doubts, comments, drop below. If you want to do a video on some topics, I'll try and do a video on that. Thanks for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.